We're gonna learn about fillet and chamfer in this video. Let's go ahead first and take our view. For example, let's go ahead and work on this area right here. On the ribbon, I'll choose my rectangle command. I'll just click randomly, just a decent rectangle, and it should be iFern because it's a furniture. So after I made my rectangle, I go in here and modify tab. Well, as I put my cursor on it, it shows me I have three options: fillet, chamfer, and blend curves. Don't worry about this one for now. We're gonna try fillet command. As I click it, it asks me to select first object and also as a radius. Let's say, for example, I want to enter the radius first. So I right click. It gives me this multiple choices. I'll choose radius because I want to enter the radius. Let's go ahead and say it's 250. Press enter. Now I select first object. It's about selecting objects. Now the intersection of these objects will turn into chamfer. So this 90-degree angle will turn into chamfer by 250 millimeters radius amount. So I'll choose the first object, let's say it's this one, and the second one I'll use this one. As I put my cursor on it, it will change it into that chamfer, into a small curve. If I change to the other one, it will change this intersection into a chamfer. So or a fillet, sorry. It's a little curve, so I click it and there it is. The special thing about it is when I put my cursor on that rectangle, it keeps it that way. It's a polyline rectangle. It doesn't change it. The cool thing about it is I can do multiple corners with that fillet command. Let's go ahead and undo that on the quick access toolbar. Click it a couple times. That's too much. I want my rectangle to be there. We're gonna go again with the same command. We go here, you choose fillet, right click, choose radius. Let's go ahead and change it for 300, and again I'll right click and choose multiple. I can multi-select, so I click on this one and go ahead and click again, click on this one and click, change it to fillet, and to all over the four edges. There we go. There's another way to do that even faster, so I'll undo that. I go again with my fillet command, right click, choose radius, it's 300, press enter, and then right click and choose polyline. When I select it, it does it automatically and it's really fast. So I click, press enter to finish that command, and it activates the fillet command. So I hit escape to cancel any command. So that's everything with the fillet command. I'll undo that, undo again. Okay, I have my rectangle again. I'll use the chamfer right now. The chamfer, it's the same as fillet, but it's not a radius. It's a hard line. You can either do it by a distance or an angle. Let's go ahead and do it. Right click, just the same procedure. Okay, it's right click. I can choose by distance or angle. First I'll do it with distance. Chamfer distance, I'll go 250. The other side of the chamfer is 250. So first line, second line, that's it. Or I'll undo that for now. or I can choose multiple, just like how I did. So that's chamfer, and distance is 250 per center, and multiple. So line, it's a chamfer, line, that's chamfer. Or I can do it with the polyline, just the same as I did in the previous. So distance 250, choose polyline, yeah, that's it, all four corners, it changes to chamfer. So each of this chamfer is 200 by 250 by 250, so it's basically a 45 degree angle. So that's everything with chamfer and fillet.